Yeah, let's see if we can get a kill or two. Motherfucker. I don't think they have any doors open. Yeah, my teammates should be coming down here. No, that's okay, they're new. Fuck. Dude, where are these guys? Haven't opened a door yet? Dude, they still haven't opened a door yet. And these guys are hiding. These guys are hiding bad. Ah, there you are. Trapped yourself now, huh? Well, that's the Wyatt again. Alright, I got the... No, shit. I got the Wyatt. Back to the lobby with you, sir. Dude, that Wyatt took so much damage. Like, what the hell? Fuck, I messed up on my... Man, I should not be stalling there. These guys are so lucky I don't have competent teammates. No, come back, bro. Come back. Dude, how did that stall again, dude? What the fuck? I got the Virginia. Wow, this Virginia is so bad. I mean, I'm bad too, but Jesus. How do you lose to a Leatherface that stalls twice? Of course they're gonna try to do the fuse. Dude, what the fuck am my teammates doing? Fuck, thought he would go down. Dude, how many times am I gonna stall with this shit? This is actually ass. Dude, I like how these guys are going fuse against 2 level 0 players, bro. What the fuck? Wish I was hands, I could rip this out. Yeah, there are 3, man. This Danny, Sunny, and Virginia. They got 2 pay-to-win characters. 161 blood. Dude, what are these guys doing? Yeah, they're literally just gonna keep trying to go for this. Fucking pussies, bro. They're on Grandpa. They're gonna go for the fuse again. Boom, baby. Stiff arm. Sunny's gonna go for the fuse. Watch the fuse. And then there was one. What's this cook doing, bro? Sunny over here? We need exterior alarms, what we need for this guy. It's just ratting in the basement, I think. Yeah, we just need a little bit more blood. Yeah, he's literally not doing anything. Just waiting for the fuse. He's getting a bone scrap because of, okay, this guy's stream sniping, I think. But yeah, he better hope I missed this big swing on him when he tries to stab Grandpa again. He's got 900, yeah, he's literally just cutting bone scraps in the basement. Okay, I can shut all the doors maybe? Trap him in here. Maybe going up ladder though. Oh, he'd open this, he might open this. I feel like I should go back up. Okay, he's just cutting shit in the basement, basically. Oh, is he over here? I see him? I see him. So all these doors are shut now. Dude, is this guy just gonna sit in the basement all game? Holy shit. Yeah, you better run, bro. Oh, that was the wrong way. Boom, baby. You got 4K. GG. Yeah, hide in the basement all game. And at first I kind of thought it was weird looking, but Like when I play with it more, I actually kind of like it. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Come here, broski. Oh, I hit her. Nice. That's huge. Oh, I shouldn't be doing this, but whatever. Dude, I actually hit her. That's crazy. Oh, I hit the freaking Leyland too. Oh my god. Wait, where'd she go? Oh shit, did I miss her? That hurt. I got the Connie. Oh. I got the Connie. Let's go. Nice. Oh, I got the Julie. Boom, baby. Stiff arm. Motherfucker. Hell yeah, let's go, baby. Fear my chainsaw, bro. Fear my chainsaw. Dude, they haven't even got out of the basement yet. This is actually insane. Oh, they're there. Wait, did someone leave this open? Oh no, they did get out. Okay. It's like, what the hell? Okay, I think they might be up here now.
Yeah, someone kill this chicken. Go feed Grandpa.
This is going to be pretty tough for them because they don't have a Leyland or a Julie.
Right here. I got him.
Where?
Over here on me. Just past Grandpa. Just walk past Grandpa. Going to the crib. Going to the house. He's going through the bathroom. Oh, no, he's coming down the well. Got a hit on him.
Yeah, it's
the
actually
cook's locks are still good over here on Jen's side. So.
Okay. Yeah, we should be able to get them because it's just a Leyland and Sunny. They're gonna have a hard time getting out through the locks. Maybe need to watch the fuse. They'll kind of peek out a little bit here and there. Good Grandpa, good Gramps.
I'm gonna make this one good by Grandpa. Someone trying to fuck this out.
Yeah, if we could get level 3, that'd be really good.
I hit a lot of the buckets. I'm gonna try to go cycle around again.
They're getting a lot of points done.
Yep. Right here.
Yeah.
Bitch. Hello. Oh, he ran me over. It's Leland. Oh, he's incapacitated. Fuck him up.
Oh, I hit him with a big swing. I hit him with a big swing. He should be in cap. Yeah, he's in cap.
Oh,
Oh, he bled out.
Oh, he's done.
Oh, yeah, he bled out. Yeah, nice. Shit. Man, I should get blood for that. That's kind of bullshit, but whatever.
he's on me at the back of the house. He's about to go down the back there. Yeah, that way. No, go the other way. Come on. He went down. Back there. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's going down the ladder.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna go to the basement, see if I can get him.
I'm resetting my traps real quick. I'll go down and fucking. Hold on. Just want to get blood. That's it.
Alright, Sonny boy, where you at? Wait, it's locked down here. Go to the back of. Okay, yep. Okay.
You said what?
Nah, he's got him.
I got him. Stiff arm, baby. Boom. Mm. Yeah. Nice, GG.
Good shit.
GG. That's it, guys, right? We usually destroy this door first. I don't know if that's... Alright. Same squad again. I think I'm lagging now. Probably shouldn't be cutting this door down. Oh, I got the Anna. Stiff arm. Fucking Leatherface, bro. Wait, what? Hell yeah. Wait, this isn't the same team from last game, was it? Or is it? Get on my game, baby. Okay, they got the doors between Slaughterhouse open. I'm coming up. One's on Slaughterhouse, silver. Come here, fart lady. Bro, how many... Dude, oh my fucking god, bro. This is such ass, bro. Okay, it's not locked still. Bro, again? Bro, you are cringe as fuck, bro. Like, seriously. Anyone who plays Virginia is cringe. Not apologizing. She went back? Dude, how long does this last for? Jesus Christ. map is so dark. I hate it. Can't see shit. Dude, what is this? Boom, baby, stiff arm. The fuck out of my game, boy. Oh shit, dude. Dude, Leatherface is the best, bro. Holy shit. Yeah, you never grapple when there's a Leatherface, bro. Like, okay, I'm gonna feed Grandpa real quick. I keep getting all the kills. Yeah, they actually have a lot of points. Do they have? They have to have Genside open, right? Ain't no way. Yeah, we would have had exterior alarms if I would have fed the first time. I should have fed the first time. Stiff arm. Leatherface just takes so long to do his execute and the feed Grandpa. Nice, GG. Let's go, baby. Did they all rage quit? Okay, only one. Virginia, of course the Virginia rage quit. The pay to win player rage quit, dude. Nice. Nice.